Hello. Welcome back once again. So today we're gonna talk about office culture and employee experience and how you can improve that using a mobile app. So first things first. So you go to DIYapps.ca where you can build any application with no coding experience, and you'll be able to build beautiful apps. So once you're on the DIY apps, you can scroll what's all about premium app provider. First things first, I know you'll be saying, how much does this cost? So let's go to pricing. So we have a three tier right now. Um, so we have the light plan, standard, and the premium. So the light plan gives you PWA only with some other functionality. And then we have the standard gives you PWA and Android and iOS. And then the premium gives you the iPad and Android solution. So yeah, so you can read through that. So whichever plan that you like, just click on build for free. So we do have 21 days free build. So you don't really pay, and you don't even put your credit card on credit or payment information until the 21 days is up. So all right, so click on the build. So today for our industry, we have human resources. So we are looking at small businesses trying to streamline some of their communications and things like that can help them do feedback loops, communication channels, team building activities, and so forth. So all right, so I'm gonna pick human resources because I want this particular one. So you usually start with a template. Put your name, first name, company, the email address which the app will be tied to, and then your password, agree to the terms, and then you start building. So once you start building, it will take you to this dashboard. So this is where everything, all the magic happens here. So you have your menus on this side. You have, if you have more than one app, you can always choose in between them here if you're using the same email. And if you upgrade, so this is where you upgrade and you're able to make your app live. All right, so we would like to show you the out of the box app. uh, so first of all, before we do that, let me go back one. Just wanted to show you something. So we pick human resources, and then we say people management. All right, so just a small blurb here kind of shows you what this kind of app can help you, especially for the people management and human resources. So yeah, so just quickly read that. All right, okay, so as you can see out of the box, it's really pretty much done. Technically, if you want, you can just publish this as is. All right, so let's look for a couple features here. So for compliance documents, what you can do is you can have your compliance documents here, upload them, and you'll be able to. So when you click on add new, you can add information about it, whichever action you like them to be able to take, right? So that's what the compliance documents are. You can upload as many as you want. You have your community. So here, this feature helps you create kind of a community where people can be able to chat. You can have lists and things like that, and people can chat on those kind of topics. And then when you say events, let's say you have events coming through. Yeah, um, you can always have events here, and people can see what's coming on. What's the other outside of the box? Compliance, we just went through that. Uh, so same thing with the compliance documents. So you have your compliance training. So this, I think this should be trainings. Change that to that. So you can be able to do your training, and then you can see you have your compliance documents here, so which takes you back to the same page, sorry, that we are at. All right, so let's say requests. So this one you can use, you have your employee handbook, you have your digital applications and things like that. So documents where people can be able to see and easy access some of this information through the mobile app. And then you have your announcements. So this will be pretty much where people will go. You can always change this, change as you go pretty much. Add more announcements if you want to add more. And then company blog. So this one, what this particular company does is they're using an RSS feed, right? So you can always use an RSS feed for if you want to just sync. Sometimes some of these tools you might not need to build from scratch. It's more on, do you have it, and how can you improve on it, and just have it on the app so people can access it quickly. All right, so those are some of the features I wanted to show you on the human resource kind of business platform. And the other piece too, you can be able to streamline your communication, office bulletin board, schedules, and many more. So this way, an app can be effective to help streamline your communication for your business. If you wanted to add new features, so these are the ones that we have been just using. You can always go to Marketplace. Depending on the plan that you have access to a lot of features here, right? So let's say you have a booking, you like people to book, you can always link with your Calendly. If you have forms, you can always link them with your Google Forms, Google Docs. If you have slides on Google, you can always link them with that. If you like people to be able to say punch card, right? So let's say you have a client, you give your employees 10 visits to get something free, right? So they can always punch, get it punched every time they visit or get something. You can do a lot of things. You have so many directory, if you want to link your directory with the app. If you have places, so there's so many features that you can be able to use to make your office app or your business app robust enough. And these are out of the box features, so you don't even need to develop them, you just need to use them. And you see, you have a community wall. If you want people to vote, if you have a favorite radio station, you can link with them and have their broadcast on the app. So there's so much you can do, and then definitely the branding and everything else. So if this definitely, I believe mobile apps helps and streamlines, because everyone has a mobile phone, and you can be able to leverage that, because not everyone, either if they are in the field, they have a computer, right? So you can leverage their mobile devices to streamline the communication and make sure the communication is seamless. All right, so other than that, check us out, DIYapps.ca. Have your app built, either do it yourself or connect with us at hello@DIYapps.ca, and we can be able to get your app up and running within no time. All right, so call it a day. Adios, and have a good one. Bye.